Hi guys, my name is William and this is Snacks. Now Snacks is a 11-month-old mixed breed. He's with me for a 2-week program, and when Snacks came to me, he's definitely a really big, goofy, very affectionate dog. He had a hard time pulling on the leash. He had a hard time staying focused in certain distractions, and he had a hard time holding commands. He knew kind of the basics, but he didn't really know heel, he didn't know how to place, and he definitely didn't know how to act with distractions in the environment. So I spent the last 2 weeks with Snacks. Enjoy his 2-week transformation. Thank you.